Click on the link below to get price. The Neverland Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a game changer for anyone who values convenience and efficiency when it comes to maintaining tire pressure. This compact device packs a powerful punch with a 12,000 mAh battery, ensuring that you can inflate tires on the go without needing to find a power outlet. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it's more than capable of handling a variety of inflatables, from car tires to sports equipment. One of the standout features of this air compressor is its portability. Weighing just a few pounds, it easily fits in your trunk, making it an essential item for road trips or daily commutes. The robust design is complemented by a user-friendly interface, which includes an LED display showing the current pressure and a selection of preset modes for different types of tires. This eliminates any guesswork during inflation, allowing you to achieve optimal pressure every time. Another impressive aspect is the built-in rechargeable battery. With a full charge, it can inflate multiple tires, making it reliable for emergencies or unexpected situations. Additionally, the compressor features a handy LED light, perfect for nighttime use or roadside emergencies, ensuring you can see what you're working on in low-light conditions. However, it's worth noting that the compressor can be a bit noisy during operation, which may be a consideration for some users. Despite this, the efficiency of inflation compensates for the sound, and it inflates a standard car tire in just a few minutes. Overall, the Neverland Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a reliable, high-performance tool that combines portability, ease of use, and powerful functionality. Whether you're a frequent traveler or simply need a reliable device for home use, this air pump is a worthwhile investment that ensures your tires are always at optimal pressure, enhancing safety and fuel efficiency on the road.